Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Droid Hunter. Today I'm going to show you how you can balance your DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal with a smartphone. Now I'll show you how to balance it. This is the phone direction, camera going to this position. Okay, now okay, done. Now ignore my scratch. The first step to use this gimbal, it's balance your phone, otherwise it's not working properly. Okay, first you just slide your phone, then okay, done. Here you see that. Okay, now another thing is the back side. Yes, this gap and this gap make same distance. Okay, done. That's it. Now oh no, okay, I need some more movement. Oh, okay. Okay, done. Okay guys. Okay, so our smartphone now balanced with this gimbal DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Now I can open it. Just click the power button and done. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.